My name is R.D. Morrison. I'm with the Tri-State Ag Expo. It was held in July at the Garrison Arena. Some of our exhibitors includes Ag Pro, which has John Deere equipment, gators, skid steers, track hoes, tractors, balers, all kinds of equipment. They were located down in the cattle barn section. Another exhibitor down in the cattle barn section was Powell Tractor. They're our local Massey Ferguson dealer over in Seneca, South Carolina. They brought some nice equipment. Another one of our exhibitors is Rural King. They're new to the area, and they also sell tractors, and it's a nice tractor. And they sell Skag mowers. Georgia Poultry was also there. They're hog slat dealers. They sell feed bins and augers and all the stuff you need to feed your chickens or store feed to feed your cows. Landscaper Supply was also there with their Ferris zero-turn lawnmowers. A lot of good information was provided by them. Rusty Thompson and family was also there. They provide air-equipped chutes, head gates, alleyways, sweep tubs, everything you need for cattle handling. Dixon Tractor was there offering the complete line of Coyote, from tractors and skid steers to mini track hoes. They also carry McCormick. Chandler Equipment offers Raven GPS, and they also build spreaders down in Gainesville, Georgia. They really make a nice spreader. Smirker Manufacturing was there. This is a view of their 25-foot foldable weed wiper. That's Rob Smirker with the sponges. That's how the thing works. He also carries RV backup cameras, which are really handy on the back of a skid steer or on a tractor. Here's a wiper that mounts on a side-by-side. The South Carolina Beef Council was also there, and they brought McGill, the fiberglass cow. They gave out a lot of good beef information. The fuel trailer was there, and they provide trailer-mounted fueling systems. They also provide systems that mount in the back of your truck. Peach State Federal Credit Union was also at the expo. All these tractors and things you're looking for, these guys will help you finance it. Hardy by EVH Manufacturing Company brought several bush hogs and ditch bank cutters. They're located in Loris, South Carolina, so they're a state-grown company. These ditch bank cutters would come in pretty handy with all the terraces and all that we have around here. Ivy's is located in Buffalo, South Carolina. They represent a lot of different companies, but they also manufacture equipment for sale at their location in Buffalo. They brought a good bit of landscaping type equipment, aerators and such. ACI Distributing brought a McHale baler and a McHale bale wrapper. That baler was impressive. Boundary Builders brought several really nice cattle handling systems. A portable one, and then a complete chute, alley, sweep tub, real nice setup. Agri Supply brought some of their wares to the expo. They're out of Florence, South Carolina. Agri Eco Power was at the expo. They can remove the catalytic converter, manual regen, DEF requirements on tractors, combines, all kinds of stuff. Ag South had a booth at the expo. They can help you with land, buying farmland, tractors, whatever. That's a good company. Best Buy Metals can help you with your metal roofing needs and metal siding needs. The Block and Bridle Club of Clemson University was there. They helped folks by giving them a ride in the golf carts. Coastal Agribusiness out of Hendersonville was also there. They're a fertilizer provider. Agribility South Carolina was there, and they help farmers with disabilities adapt so they can keep being productive. Clemson University CAT was there. They help farmers with precision farming, using drones, all kind of advances. Clemson Livestock Poultry Health helps ensure the health of farm animals in South Carolina. Clemson University Regulatory Services provides pesticide license, and they test the fertilizer when you buy it. Gallagher is a fencing company. They could provide info on electric fences and also e-fence, which runs off satellite. Minetta Fence Supply carries Stay Tough, Gallagher, wooden posts, barbed wire, wooden fences. They got it. Generator Supercenter carries Generac generators. That'll be pretty handy when we have an ice storm or something around here. Morton Buildings is out of North Carolina, and they build barns, they build covered riding arenas. Anything you need on a farm, these guys can build it. Mushroom Mountain is located in Easley, South Carolina, and they have all kinds of information and seminars and stuff on mushrooms, whether woods mushrooms or homegrown mushrooms. The Pickens County Soil and Water District can help you with ditch bank erosion of your creeks. They have a seed library. They have a lot of good programs. Maggie Miller won the second place door prize of a backup camera provided by Rob Smucker. Donnie Rice won the main door prize of $2,300 worth of DeWalt equipment. It just about filled up his car. We would like to thank all of the exhibitors and all of the visitors that came to the 2026 Ag Expo. We're looking forward to doing it again next year, so help spread the word. Thank you, and I'll see you.